In this short tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use your two-way remote control. Ensure the camera is powered on. Press and hold the action button on the remote. The LED will power on and indicate the current camera mode by shining in the status color of that mode. In this case, video. The camera and the remote control included in the package are already paired to one another, so there's no need to pair them again. If unpaired, the camera will work with any Drift HD Ghost remote control in the range. Likewise, an unpaired remote control will control any and all Drift HD Ghost units that are set to the unpaired mode within its 10-meter range. When paired, the camera will only respond to its paired remote control. Since this remote control is already paired, I will first demonstrate how to unpair the remote, followed by how to repair it to your camera. On the camera, press Menu, select Camera Settings from the main menu, and press Action. Highlight Remote Pairing from the Camera Setting menu and press Action. Navigate to the second icon, which shows the one-to-all relationship. Once you select this icon, the camera will signal the remote to shift to one-to-all mode and will set itself to one-to-all mode. If successful, the camera will show the successful message on screen, and the remote control LED will flash white. While in one-to-all mode, the remote can only start and stop a video recording, start and stop a time-lapse sequence, take a photo, or start a photo burst sequence. The ability to change recording modes is disabled. Now, when I hit the action button on the remote control, it will begin the recording on our video mode camera, as well as initiate the photo burst on our second camera. Now, when I press the stop button, the video will stop recording, and the other camera will remain in the photo burst mode. Now, I will demonstrate how to repair a remote control to a camera. To pair a remote control, first navigate to Settings, then down the list to Remote Pairing. Press Action and highlight the first option, which is the one-to-one icon. With the remote control within close range to the camera, select one-to-one. It will signal to the remote in range that is turned on to be paired on a one-to-one basis. If successful, the remote will now blink in the same status color as the camera, in this case green, and the camera will display the message Successful. Now, the remote will only control the camera it's paired to, and the camera will only take commands from the paired remote. The ability to change camera modes from the remote control is now active. While not recording a video or a time-lapse, pressing the stop button changes the recording mode on the camera. The blue light on the remote control signals that the remote and camera have successfully sent a command to each other. If you're not using your remote control, you can prolong your battery life by deactivating the remote control feature on your camera. To do this, navigate to Settings, go to Remote Control, and select the X. If your remote control is flashing red quickly, this means you have less than 15% battery life remaining, and you should charge your unit soon. Connect the remote control using the mini USB cable provided with your camera to a powered USB port. A full charge takes around 2.5 hours. Once the remote is fully charged, remove the mini USB cable and replace the weather-resistant USB seal. Other things to note: your remote control will auto-off after 15 seconds if it does not find a paired camera or is not set to one-to-all mode.